On July 1st, aerospace giant Lockheed Martin made waves in the defense industry by unveiling a series of captivating images on Instagram. The occasion was the 80th anniversary celebration of its esteemed Skunk Works division, a renowned sector responsible for developing cutting-edge aircraft. The images presented a visual journey through the division's history, showcasing simple drawings that highlighted the groundbreaking aircraft that have emerged from its innovative workshops over the years. Among the historic aircraft featured in Lockheed Martin's Instagram posts, the final image caught the attention of aviation enthusiasts and defense analysts alike. This particular depiction stood out as a mysterious and futuristic representation, distinct from the simpler drawings of the preceding aircraft. The enigmatic nature of the final image sparked widespread speculation within the defense community. Many began to hypothesize that the illustration could offer a glimpse into the highly anticipated sixth-generation aircraft currently in development as part of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program. The speculative excitement surrounding Lockheed Martin's Instagram revelation centers on the potential unveiling of the next-generation fighter jet slated to succeed the F-22 Raptor. Believed to be a conceptual representation of the advanced capabilities expected in the upcoming sixth-generation aircraft, the final image has fueled discussions about the NGAD program's advancements. Triangular stealth mastery. The NGAD fighter introduces a groundbreaking triangular shape internally, eliminating the need for distinct vertical stabilizers. This design innovation maximizes stealth features, setting it apart as the first fighter in history to adopt such a revolutionary change. Prior to the emergence of active flow control, vertical stabilizers were a staple for keeping aircraft airborne. The NGAD fighter marks a significant shift, showcasing the evolution of design concepts. Unlike its predecessors, it relies on internal triangular geometry, ushering in a new era in fighter aircraft development. Learning from history, the US designs the NGAD fighter with an open architecture, recognizing the constant need for improvement. In the face of increasingly powerful adversaries, the NGAD's open architecture allows for easy and swift upgrades. This adaptability ensures the fighter remains at the forefront, ready to confront emerging challenges on the battlefield. The NGAD fighter's open architecture isn't just about upgrades, it's a pathway to future advancements. This sixth-generation fighter can seamlessly evolve into a seventh-generation fighter years after deployment. The flexibility in upgrades positions it as a dynamic force, always staying ahead of the curve in the rapidly changing landscape of military technology. As a high-end combat machine, the NGAD fighter is armed to the teeth. Expect a formidable array of cutting-edge American weaponry, including guns, bombs, missiles, and laser-directed energy weapons. This arsenal underscores the fighter's capability to dominate the air and respond effectively to a diverse range of threats. Beyond weaponry, the NGAD fighter is equipped with an extensive set of tools to process and act on relevant information. Its advanced tactical network allows it to gather crucial data about its surroundings, enabling informed decision-making. This network-centric approach ensures the NGAD fighter is not just a stealthy powerhouse, but also a highly intelligent and responsive war machine. AI-enabled wingmen. The NGAD fighter takes the concept of force superiority to new heights with the integration of two artificially intelligent wingmen. These autonomous companions, equipped with advanced AI, not only augment the fighter's capabilities, but operate as a tactical trinity, capable of independently reading and responding to the environment. This trio becomes a formidable force that synergizes intelligence and action seamlessly. Armed with the most advanced sensors and weapons from the US, the NGAD fighter boasts a sensory apex. To achieve maximum connectivity, the Air Force has discarded traditional radars, opting for electronically configured smart skins seamlessly integrated into the aircraft's fuselage. This innovation allows the fighter's sensors to provide real-time information not only to the pilot, but to the entire friendly fleet, whether sixth generation or not. The NGAD fighter serves as a hub of information, with its sensors sharing acquired data across the fleet instantaneously. This network-centric approach enhances the situational awareness of all friendly forces, creating a cohesive and responsive unit. The fighter's role extends beyond individual prowess, transforming the entire fleet into a synchronized and dynamic force. Despite the hefty price tag of $300 million per piece, the NGAD fighter is justified by its revolutionary design and capabilities. The Air Force's requirement for 200 of these jets reflects the aircraft's strategic value. The close integration of AI-enabled drone wingmen significantly enhances operational efficiency, extending sensor range and payload capabilities. This innovative approach justifies the investment by creating a force multiplier that redefines air superiority. The NGAD fighter's distinction lies in its collaborative synergy with AI-enabled drone wingmen. Beyond mere companionship, these wingmen operate on onboard AI, enabling them to execute tasks assigned by the pilot. From extending sensor range to increasing payload capabilities, these versatile wingmen elevate the fighter's operational flexibility, making it a versatile and adaptable force. The NGAD fighter's design takes into account the evolving nature of warfare. With AI-driven capabilities and a network-centric approach, the aircraft is not just a pinnacle of current technology, but is future-ready. Its adaptability and strategic importance in a rapidly changing battlefield make it a wise investment, ensuring the Air Force remains at the forefront of aerial dominance. Sacrificial shield. The NGAD fighter's survivability is enhanced by a unique strategy: 2 loyal wingmen willing to absorb incoming missiles. This sacrificial shield serves as a reasonable sacrifice to protect the main jet, creating a formidable manned-unmanned team. This innovative approach significantly bolsters the overall survivability of the unit in high-threat environments. The concept of manned-unmanned teaming, where a single NGAD fighter is accompanied by 2 loyal wingmen, redefines operational capabilities. This trio could potentially match the operational effectiveness of an entire fleet of older manned air superiority fighters like the F-15 Eagle and F-22 Raptor. While the cost of a single NGAD fighter may be comparable to multiple older jets, its capabilities far exceed them, making it a cost-effective and powerful solution. The NGAD fighter's cost-effectiveness is not just about the price tag, it's about the synthesis of capabilities. Despite the comparable cost to its predecessors, the NGAD brings forth capabilities equivalent to a fleet of older jets. This smart investment not only modernizes the Air Force's fleet, but elevates its operational prowess to new heights. The decision to develop the NGAD fighter over restarting F-22 production is rooted in a cost comparison. While the F-22 Raptor remains a dominant force, restarting its production is economically unfeasible. The F-22 production line was repurposed for the F-35, necessitating the establishment of new infrastructure for F-22s. This endeavor would cost approximately $62.5 billion in today's money, making the NGAD a more practical and forward-looking investment. The NGAD fighter's introduction represents an evolutionary leap beyond its predecessors. Instead of resurrecting an older design, the Air Force opted for innovation. The NGAD's capabilities, including manned-unmanned teaming, advanced sensors, and adaptive architecture, position it as a future-ready solution, justifying its cost in the context of modern warfare dynamics. While the F-22 Raptor remains a formidable aircraft, the NGAD represents a strategic investment for future air dominance. Its advanced features, coupled with cost-effective considerations, make it a wise choice in navigating the complexities of modern warfare. The NGAD's capabilities not only match but surpass those of its predecessors, securing the Air Force's position at the forefront of aerial superiority. Cost considerations. The decision to pursue the modern 21st century NGAD over restarting F-22 production stems from a cost-effectiveness perspective. Restarting F-22 production would incur a staggering $330 million per fighter, equivalent to the estimated cost of the NGAD. Considering the NGAD's anticipated advancements over the F-22, opting for the modern fighter aligns with the pursuit of cutting-edge technology and capabilities. The F-35, despite becoming the most widely used stealth fighter globally, carries a hefty price tag. With an original unit cost exceeding $330 million and a projected total cost of $1.7 trillion over its service life, the F-35 holds the record for the most expensive military program in history. In contrast, the NGAD, despite its comparable unit cost, is expected to outclass both the F-35 and F-22 in technological advancements and air superiority capabilities. The F-35's journey from its expensive beginnings in 2007, with each airframe costing up to $331.50 million, to its current unit cost as low as $80 million, showcases the impact of mass production and international collaboration. While the F-35 started as a costly venture, the shared expenses among 17 nations and increased production volume contributed to a significant reduction in unit costs over time. Anticipated to be the most technologically advanced fighter of its time, the NGAD is poised to surpass both the F-35 and F-22 in terms of capabilities. While costing around $300 million per unit, similar to its predecessors, the NGAD's advancements make it a justifiable investment in the face of evolving air combat requirements. The NGAD is expected to redefine air superiority, succeeding the F-35 and F-22 from their respective positions. The cost of advanced fighters, including the F-35 and F-22, hovers around the $300 million range, reflecting the high expenses associated with cutting-edge military technology. In this context, the NGAD's comparable cost aligns with industry norms. As the most advanced sixth-generation fighter, the NGAD stands ready to inherit the mantle of dominance, acknowledging the financial reality of pushing the boundaries of aerial warfare capabilities. Shaking the world. The reality of air dominance is that it comes with a substantial price tag, and the US is well accustomed to this fact. With consistently record-breaking defense budgets, the US has prioritized investing heavily in cutting-edge technologies. This commitment has positioned the US Air Force at the forefront of aerospace innovation, collaborating with industry giants like Lockheed Martin and its Skunk Works division to produce groundbreaking aircraft throughout history. The US Air Force's legacy of innovation includes iconic aircraft such as the SR-71, the world's fastest aircraft, and the F-117 Nighthawk, the first stealth jet. Building on the success of the F-22 Raptor, the world's first fifth-generation fighter, the US is now set to introduce the NGAD fighter, the world's first sixth-generation fighter. This history underscores the Air Force's consistent pursuit of cutting-edge capabilities and air dominance. The NGAD fighter, the latest in a line of formidable aircraft, finds its roots in some of the most powerful stealth aircraft developed by the US Air Force. One notable predecessor is the F-117 Nighthawk, a stealth fighter attack aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin. The F-117, first flown in 1981 and publicly revealed in 1988, marked the world's first operational stealth aircraft. Its mission was to penetrate dense threat environments and engage high-value targets with precision during operations such as Panama, Desert Storm, and Kosovo. Born out of the lineage of powerful stealth aircraft like the F-117 Nighthawk, the NGAD fighter represents a significant leap in technological advancement. Drawing from the experience gained with each successive aircraft, the US Air Force has consistently pushed the boundaries of what is possible in aerospace engineering. The NGAD is poised to be the latest testament to this legacy, ready to set new standards in air superiority. As the US Air Force's latest creation, the NGAD fighter is expected to shake the world. Building on the foundation of the F-117 Nighthawk and other powerful predecessors, the NGAD embodies the culmination of decades of aerospace innovation. With a history of developing formidable aircraft, the US Air Force continues to be a trailblazer, introducing the world to the capabilities of the sixth-generation NGAD fighter. Supersonic marvel. The F-117 Nighthawk, a stealth fighter attack aircraft developed by Lockheed Martin, played pivotal roles in Operation Desert Storm, Panama, and Operation Iraqi Freedom. Unveiled in 1988, this operational stealth pioneer was designed exclusively for night missions. Its distinctive edge profiles were optimized to reflect hostile radar into narrow beams, deflecting detection. The F-117's effectiveness in evading enemy radar made it a perfect choice for precision night operations. The F-117 Nighthawk's weapons bay could carry a diverse range of tactical fighter ordnance. From the Blue 109B low-level laser-guided bomb to GBU-10 and GBU-27 laser-guided bomb units, AGM-65 Maverick, and AGM-88 HARM air-to-surface missiles, it was a lethal force in the darkness. The stealthy silhouette and advanced technology made the F-117 a versatile asset in striking high-value targets with precision. The Lockheed SR-71 Blackbird, a twin-engine long-range supersonic strategic reconnaissance aircraft, entered service in 1966. With only 30 aircraft built, it held the distinction of being the fastest and highest-flying conventional aircraft of its time. The SR-71 was designed for strategic reconnaissance, equipped with advanced sensors like the synthetic aperture radar system and high-resolution cameras. The SR-71 earned its moniker Blackbird not just for its sleek overall color scheme, but for its innovative design aimed at dissipating heat and absorbing enemy radar emissions. The aircraft's unique capabilities allowed it to fly at 3 times the speed of sound in a severe thermal environment, reaching altitudes of over 14 miles. The stealthy airframe, predominantly built of titanium and stainless steel, dealt with temperatures exceeding 300 degrees Celsius during its Mach 3 cruising speeds. Designed for a crew of 2, a pilot and a systems operator, the SR-71 pushed the boundaries of manned flight. Its crew navigated the extreme conditions of supersonic flight, enduring temperatures that could reach 120 degrees Celsius inside the cabin. The Blackbird's remarkable capabilities, both in terms of speed and reconnaissance, solidified its place as an iconic marvel in the history of aviation. The stealthy Silver Bullet. Among the high-profile stealth fighter jets is the B-2 Spirit, often likened to a black bat-like jet. This iconic aircraft, developed as a low-observable strategic bomber for the Cold War, earned the moniker Silver Bullet for its reserved use against the highest priority targets. Equipped with features to minimize its infrared signature, eliminate contrails, and employ its shielded APQ-181 radar only momentarily before attacking, the B-2 Spirit is a marvel of stealth technology. Originally designed for the Cold War mission of attacking Soviet strategic targets, the B-2 Spirit was intended to operate in a low, observable manner. Its minimal infrared signature and advanced electronic warfare system, coupled with a quadruplex redundant digital fly-by-wire system, make it a formidable asset in strategic operations. The crew of 2 manages this jet, ensuring its effective performance in high-stakes scenarios. Making its debut in 1999 during the Kosovo conflict, the B-2 Spirit showcased its prowess by employing the Joint Direct Attack Munition, JDAM, and other weapons to great effect. Despite the initial plan to have a fleet of 132 aircraft, the expensive nature of the B-2 Spirit led to the completion of only 21 aircraft. This limited fleet, however, demonstrated its effectiveness in real-world operations. Originally intended to carry 16 AGM-129 ACM air-launched cruise missiles, the B-2 Spirit became the carrier of the first stealth cruise missile. With a range of approximately 1,064 miles and variable-yield nuclear warheads ranging from 5 to 150 kilotons, the AGM-129 ACM was developed to complement the stealth capabilities of the bomber. The B-2 Spirit now carries the improved AGM-158 JSM, Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missile, as part of its formidable arsenal. The B-2 Spirit's arsenal extends beyond cruise missiles, including thermonuclear free-fall bombs, penetration bombs, guided bombs, and AGM-154 CJ-SAL, standoff land attack missile, precision glide bombs. Its ability to carry a diverse array of powerful weapons solidifies its role as a versatile and lethal strategic bomber in the U.S. Air Force's inventory. Apex of agility and stealth. No list of powerful stealth aircraft fighters is complete without mentioning the F-22 Raptor. Developed for the U.S. Air Force, the F-22 Raptor entered service in December 2005, replacing the F-15. Emphasizing agility, stealth, and range, the F-22 was hailed as an advanced tactical fighter. Despite the termination of its production in April 2009, with the last delivery in 2012, 183 F-22 Raptors currently serve in the U.S. Air Force. The F-22 Raptor was conceived with a focus on meeting VEOO, Visual Range Air-to-Air Combat criteria. Key design features include a trapezoidal wing, angled surfaces, canard fins, and an internal weapons bay, all strategically aimed at reducing radar signatures. Its agility, stealth capabilities, and extended range contribute to its reputation as a premier fifth-generation fighter. The termination of the F-22 program was officially announced in April 2009 by Defense Secretary Robert Gates. This decision aimed to shift focus and resources towards the production of the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter. Despite this transition, the F-22 Raptor has remained a crucial asset in the U.S. Air Force's fleet, showcasing its enduring capabilities. In December 2019, Lockheed Martin secured a $7 billion five-year contract to maintain the U.S. Air Force's fleet of F-22 Raptor stealth fighters. This commitment underlines the continued importance and operational readiness of the F-22 in contemporary air defense strategies. The F-22 Raptor's configuration boasts features that reduce its radar cross-section to an impressive 0.001 square meters. The trapezoidal wing, reminiscent of the F-117 Nighthawk and B-2 Spirit, demonstrates a commitment to maintaining stealth while incorporating advanced aerodynamic surfaces. This integration of stealth and modern design sets the F-22 apart as a highly sophisticated and effective fifth-generation fighter. Armed with 4 AIM-120C medium-range air-to-air missiles in its internal weapons bay, the F-22 Raptor is ready for air dominance. These missiles, with a range of 65 miles, exemplify the aircraft's offensive capabilities, making it a formidable force in ensuring air superiority. The F-22 Raptor continues to stand as a testament to the U.S. Air Force's commitment to cutting-edge technology and air combat excellence. Stealthy multi-role marvel. The F-22 Raptor, initially armed with AIM-9M Sidewinder missiles for visual range air combat, underwent a significant upgrade with the integration of the next-generation AIM-9X missiles in 2016. These advanced missiles, with a range of around 100 miles and enhanced guidance systems, signify a leap forward in the F-22's offensive capabilities. Once fully operational within the U.S. Air Force, the AIM-120D missiles will further augment the Raptor's air dominance capabilities. The F-35 Joint Strike Fighter, JSF, developed by Lockheed Martin Aeronautics, stands as a stealthy supersonic multi-role marvel designed for the U.S. Air Force, Navy, Marine Corps, and program partners from NATO and U.S. allies. The F-35 Lightning II, designated in July 2006, comes in 3 variants: F-35A, conventional takeoff and landing, F-35B, short takeoff and vertical landing, and F-35C, carrier variant. Leveraging Lockheed Martin's own F-22 design, the F-35 features a configuration slightly smaller than the F-22 and operates with a single engine. While a single-engine design reduces production and service costs, it comes at the expense of reduced weapon load and performance. The F-35 incorporates stealth technology, diminishing its radar cross-section and enhancing its ability to evade detection by radars. The F-35 is a versatile multi-role fighter capable of air defense missions, close air support, and tactical bombing. Its internal weapons bay allows it to carry up to 2 air-to-air missiles and 2 air-to-ground weapons, compatible with a range of missiles, including AIM-120 AMRAAM, AIM-132 ASRAAM, JDAM, JASSM, Brimstone, Meteor, and others. The F-35 is a comprehensive platform designed to excel in various mission profiles. The F-35's integration of cutting-edge technology and its adaptability to diverse operational scenarios underscore its significance as a pillar of modern air superiority. As the U.S. Air Force continues to advance its capabilities, the F-35 Joint Strike Fighter stands as a testament to Lockheed Martin's commitment to delivering sophisticated and effective aircraft for the nation's defense. NGAD unveiling. The F-35's adaptability extends to its external hardpoints, where additional missiles, bombs, or fuel tanks can be attached. While the wingtips can carry AIM-9X Sidewinder short-range air-to-air missiles, the use of external weapons comes with the trade-off of increased radar detectability. This flexibility allows the F-35 to customize its loadout based on mission requirements, balancing stealth with operational needs. Even in the company of formidable stealth fighter jets, the next-generation air dominance, NGAD, holds the promise of being a more efficient and all-around powerful fighter. With a wide range of capabilities, the NGAD is positioned to excel in modern-day warfare. Despite the significant production cost and various speculations surrounding its design and capabilities, the NGAD remains a subject of curiosity, generating anticipation until its official unveiling. The NGAD has sparked considerable interest and speculation due to its high cost of production and the secrecy surrounding its design and capabilities. This air dominance platform has captured the imagination of enthusiasts and experts alike, fueling curiosity about its potential role and impact on future military operations. As part of a strong lineage of stealth fighter jets, the NGAD generates anticipation until the day of its official unveiling. The aircraft's advanced features, coupled with its adaptability and potential for future upgrades, position it as a key player in the evolving landscape of aerial warfare.